Los Angeles is my home. Had a fair share of heartbreaks, made way too many mistakes, but Los Angeles is my home. My hometown makes me homesick, won't go as I book a round trip. LA, everybody wears pasties, acting real crazy, cheersing to no babies. Yeah. LA, everybody has a sunroof, singing like they're trying to make the sun move. And I love it, I'm finally done running. Just got my head above the water, learning how to be a better daughter.